We have two types. We have a male hose mender clamp style with the clamp. Male hose mender heavy duty, non-crushable. Need a pair of scissors and a screwdriver. Get a clean cut off the end. Loosen up the clamp if you need to. Put the clamp on. You're gonna put this into the hose. Some hoses are easier than others, but it'll go. You just gotta work it up there. You just get it on there like that. This one's a flathead. Okay. I mean, that is on there. Do the same thing with this. This is gonna act as a clamp. You're gonna loosen up the screws so it'll go down on there. Slide it onto the hose. Once you get it all the way to the top, slide the sleeve back on. There's a groove it fits into right there. You'll feel it locks in, then tighten the Phillips head on each side. I teach everybody this.